Welcome back to my Fisher Tech channel, folks. Welcome back once again. This is part 2 of the pulling and cleaning of the potentiometer of the Aoyue Int 852. And I think it was, in the video before I pulled it out this and we tear it out together. As you can see, I marked in red the bottom, which was everything which was on the bottom, so that I don't mess up too much when I put it together. Anyway, I was checking out the device itself. Looks pretty good, pretty quality made. I spotted now that potentiometer. Nice. I'm gonna take a look at that later. And the components are pretty nice. I mean, quality ones. Instead, it's 7 years that I'm using this device, and just lately I had some issues with this potentiometer, so that's awesome. So as we seen before I pulled out this, yeah, it's some hairy because of my cat. Anyway, as you can see, it's some sort of the outer it's some sort of maybe some dirty in the middle. There's a spot, you can see right in the middle there. Anyway, it's pretty handy that this one, it's on a plug. The other potentiometer is soldered, so maybe they knew that this would get dirty. That's a nice touch. So I'm gonna pull it out. Oh yeah, I need to finish to pull the side tabs. Give me a sec. So basically, what I've noticed is that the potentiometer is greasy from factory, maybe because, of course, you can see there's grease. I think you can see there's grease right there. So I think that the grease, for capillarity, you see it's shiny there. I think the grease made its way inside the potentiometer. That's it, that's all. I'm gonna clean it.